A very pleasant morning to everyone. Student, today we are going to start the new lesson, fifth lesson of geography, that is natural vegetation and wildlife. In this lesson, we are going to study about the wildlife and natural vegetation of flora and fauna of Brazil as well as of India. So both the countries we are going to study the wildlife. Okay, now let's start. Here, observe the images shown in figure 5.1 and discuss on the basis of the following points. Can you tell the names of the plants, trees shown in the image? So here many types of plants and animals, birds are shown. So first picture, it is of cactus. Next is the Brazilian pepper tree. Next, teak tree. Again here, that bird, it found in Brazil and its name is Rufous bellied thrush. Next is jaguar and next anaconda. So anaconda also found mostly in the Brazil. So we have tell the names of the plants and trees shown in the image. So where have you seen these plants before? So you might have seen these plants before on television, otherwise internet, many magazine, textbook, etc. Okay, name the fauna found in the image. So just now I have told you the name of the bird. So children, flora means plants and fauna means animals. So here that bird's name is Rufous bellied thrush. It mostly found in the Brazil country. Again here jaguar given and anaconda. So where have you seen them before? Same, you might have seen them before on television, otherwise on net. Okay, you might have recognized the species shown above and discuss about them because there is similarity between them and many Indian species. So children, you might have found that these many species are found, there is a similarity Brazilian and Indian. These flora and fauna found in Brazil, but many of them are found in our India also. How? See, so this is the cactus. So many parts of our India cactus trees found. Again teak tree, many parts of our India also teak tree is found. And here jaguar is given, like that we are having leopard in our country. Many types of snakes, big snakes also found in our country. So here it is said that is the similarity between them. So but these species are found in Brazil. Look for their names. Now we will study about the variety of flora found in Brazil. So we will start to study about the flora which found in Brazil. In figure 5.2, rainfall, flora and fauna of Brazil has been shown in the cross profile along with physiography. So we have to see the figure 5.2. There we can see the rainfall, flora, fauna and flora and fauna of Brazil. So there is one cross profile is given along with the physiography that we will study. Now see, the change occurring in the above element while going from north to south is clearly seen here. Discuss about this in the class and write a note about it. So here it is said that if we will see the Brazil's map and from north to south if we are going, then we can see some changes. So what are the changes? First we will see the figure 5.2, then we will discuss about it. So it is the figure of 5.2. So you can see here physiography, natural vegetation and wildlife that is given. So what is given here? Coastal plain. In the coastal plain means the great escarpment, that region. So that area we found 1200 millimeter of rainfall. If we'll go ahead to the coastal areas, to then we can find temperate forest here, and here reptiles and grassland animals are found. Here rainfall is 600 millimeter. If we cross this area and if we'll move to the grassland deciduous forest, so that is 1500 millimeter of rainfall, and grassland animals are found. Now children, there might be one question in your mind, that is the, now here also I told you reptiles and grassland animals. In this area mostly the grassland and deciduous forest region, mostly the grassland animals are found. Now what is the grassland animals? So I will tell you that elephant, bison, cheetah, and lion, tiger, rabbits, gophers, and various kinds of dogs, prairie dogs especially, and many birds, lizard, snakes species are some of the small animals that live there as well. So these all are recognized as the grassland animals. So next is the equatorial forest. If we'll go, so children, we are crossing the Brazil's map. So how it is, here it is shown like these, but in our Brazil's map, so see, it is the India's map. So here is the Brazil's map. So we are going from this region, Great Escarpment region. From this region, then here, Highland region, then again here, like this we are crossing. So we can found these. So here Pantala region, and here this Brazilian highland, sorry, not Brazilian highland, here Amazon basin is given. So like that, physiography and flora and fauna shown here. Then again, so Amazon basin, just now we have seen the Amazon river basin. So there aquatic animals and arboreal animals are found. So what is the arboreal animal? Here 2000 millimeter of rainfall and equatorial type of forest are found here. So arboreal animals means the animals which living in the trees. So monkeys, koala, possums, parrots, chameleons, and various kinds of tree snakes. So these all will include in the arboreal animals. And aquatic animals means water animals, various kinds of fishes, especially a piranha fish is found in Brazil, sea dolphins. So like this aquatic animals are found in this region. Then here various types of apes, reptiles. So various kinds of apes and reptiles also found in that region. So like, and here in this region we can find 1600 millimeter of rainfall, that is the tropical forest. Now we will study the further part, Brazil vegetation. In Brazil, rainfall varies due to physiography, means in the Brazil we can find differences in the rainfall. So in most part of equatorial region, it rains throughout the year. As one move away from equator, the number of rainy days as well as amount of rainfall reduce. So see children, as we know that in the equatorial region there is daily rainfall. So and that rains is throughout the year. So but if we move from the equator region, then we can find the number of rainy days as well as the amount of rainfall, that is reducing. This affect the cycle life of vegetation too. Of course, if there is a continuous rainfall, there evergreen type of forest will found and many animals will find there. But if there is no rainfall or very less rainfall, of course their vegetation we can find different. Okay, evergreen forests are found in the area where it rains throughout the year. So evergreen forest we can found in the area where throughout the year there is rainfall. In regions which receive rainfall only during certain seasons, the density of the vegetation reduce. So if there is no rainfall, otherwise if there is very less period rainfall, means seasonal rainfall, in that area we can found the vegetation and density of the forest that is reducing. Instead of forest, various types of grasses, short shrub, thorny vegetation, etc. are found. Now, Brazil has the largest number of vegetation species in the world. So, as we know that Brazil's forest is very famous, means maximum part of Brazil is covered by the dense forest. So, there we can find vegetation that and vegetation species is largest in the world. So this includes evergreen vegetation, semi-evergreen, arid, etc. One find trees like pau Brazil, rubber, mahogany, rosewood, and variety of orchards. So these trees vegetation we can found in the forest region of Brazil. Because of the evergreen forest in Brazil, there is large amount of oxygen that is released in the environment. This helps to reduce carbon dioxide levels. Therefore, these rainforests are rightly called the lungs of the world. So see students, here it is said that Brazil's evergreen forest that provide large amount of oxygen. As we know that photosynthesis process, trees they inhale carbon dioxide and exhale oxygen. So as they release oxygen, so more amount, so many trees are there, means dense forest we can find in the Brazil. So that duty of that trees is to release the oxygen, pure air, and they inhale the carbon dioxide. So due to that, carbon dioxide's level is reduced and oxygen's amount is more there. So that's why these rainforest areas are called as lungs of the world. So we will stop here. Thank you very much.